As I scroll here through here, I can look for things that look odd. Like here, it was pretty healthy at the beginning of the year, and then it dropped off. So what happened? So I might, well, look here, here's some reoccurring subscriptions, went high, and then it dropped. Well, if you noticed up here, the third-party branded, adding 25 to 50 is not 100. So, I mean, it's close, but it's not all the way. Well, down here, I can see this also dropped by about 12. So I add that back into here. This tells me there was third-party cloud services revenue that was going into this line, which when they made that correction in July and fixed everything, that's why this dropped, and this went even higher than just the sum of these two. So that's some of the things you can help identify to see what happened. So in this case, it was just they were categorizing things wrong, and they fixed the categorization.